Let's take a look at how RazKids Learning A to Z works on an iPad. First of all, you will want to make sure that the Kids A to Z app is installed on the iPad. Even though we won't be directly logging into that app, it must be installed on the iPad for the program to work. Because there are a lot of apps on the iPad, you may need to swipe to a second screen or further to see if you can find the Kids A to Z app. If you don't see the Kids A to Z app on your iPad, you can tap on the self-service icon, which is this colorful square, and then you can tap on the search, and up in the search bar you can type Kids A to Z, and either one of these, whether they say install or reinstall, you can just tap on that and it might just need a fresh install of the app. After confirming the Kids A to Z app is installed, tap on the ClassLink app down here on the dock and then log into ClassLink using your student's GISD username and password. And when we're signed into ClassLink, when I tap on the Learning A to Z app, it takes a moment, but then it launches. And from here, you can tap on your assignments or anything else your teacher has instructed you to use in the program. I hope this has been helpful for showing how to access Learning A to Z RazKids on your GISD iPad. If you have any further questions, please let your teacher know. Thanks.